Okay, example 1 on page 604. Now we have this complete quadratic equation. The first thing that you have to do is to find the coefficient A, B, and C. Now if you check, A is the coefficient of x squared, then it's going to be 2. B is the coefficient of linear of the x, then how to find 3. And C is a dependent term, then we have minus 5. We're going to use this A, B, and C coefficients to substitute in the formula, quadratic formula. We have the formula is x is minus b, b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Sorry. I substitute the coefficients, then I find x equal, b is 3, then I put it minus 3, then it's minus 3 squared minus 4a is 2, and c it's minus 5. Then I divide everything 2 times 2. Then x is going to be minus 3. Then minus 3 squared, remember minus is positive. 3 times 3 is 9. Then minus is going to be positive. Then I have 2 times 4 is 8 times 5, it's 40. Divide by 2 times 2 is 4. Then I obtain x equal minus 3 root of 49 divided by 4. Here you check, we obtain the two solutions of that equations because we have this. I have one is x equal minus 3 plus the root of 49. The root of 49 is 7 divided by 4. And the other solution is going to be minus 3 minus 7 divided by 4. Then, here I obtain minus 3 plus 7 is going to be 4 positive. Divided by 4, I obtain the first value, then it's going to be 1. And the next is going to be minus 3 minus 7 is going to be minus 10 divided by 4. Simplify that, I obtain minus 5 and a half. Then these are the solutions of the equation. Now example B. Now you have the equation 2x equal x squared minus 4. The first thing that I have to do is to obtain a standard form the quadratic equation. Then I put it x squared, I pass the 2, minus 2x minus 4 equal 0. Now it's easy to find the coefficients. A is equal, if we remember that we don't have coefficient, the coefficient is 1. B it's minus 2, and C it's minus 4. Then remember the quadratic equation, x equal minus b or less of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute the values, then I put it x equal minus and minus, I obtain positive 2. Then minus 2 squared minus 4a is 1 and c is minus 4. Then divide by 2 times 1. Then next is going to be 2 less, it's 2 squared is going to be 4, minus is positive, 4 times 4 is 16, divide by 2. Then I obtain x equal 2 root of 20 divided by 2. Then I obtain the two answers, the positive and the negative. The first, I had to put it x1 equal 2 plus root of 20 divided by 2, but x2 equal 2 minus root of 20 divided by 2. Here is the same, the right 2 divided by 2 plus root of 20 divided by 4, because I include the 2 inside the root. Then here I obtain 1 plus root 20 divided by 4 is 5. This is the first solution, and the second solution is going to be 2 minus 20 divided by 4. Then the next solution is going to be 1 minus root of 5. These are the two solutions of this equation.